Look, you're as high as the birds.
Oh.
That's pretty wild.
I think one almost hit me.
You're higher than the birds.
Chase Jason. Jason, it's gonna chase you. About flying the drone? That was fun. Did you chase Jason?
I know how I feel about him riding the drone. He's scary with it. He was chasing me with the drone.
What do you have to say
I would never chase him with the drone.
We're going to try and take it up as high as we can go here. Wow, we are up high, high, high.
I don't even think you can see it.
I can.
Okay.
We can't even hear it. Oh.
Wow.
Hello, I'm a dot. My favorite candy. I'm a dot.
It's way up there.
Holy cow, this is high. Oh, I should not get this thing.
Look, you're as high as the birds.
Oh.
That's pretty wild.
I think one almost hit me.